In this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent people from tagging you on Facebook. Click on the Facebook application. Then we'll click on the three bars at the top. Now we'll click on settings and privacy. Just scroll down, then click on settings. Now scroll down until you locate place for profile and tagging. Then who can post on your profile? You can limit this to only you, because you don't want people posting on your profile without your consent. Then who can see what others post on your profile? Okay, it's only me. I don't want people to see it. Okay, allow others to share your post on their story. Okay, you can allow this one. Then tagging, who can see posts that you are tagging on your profile? Only you. Okay, then when you are tagging a post, who do you want to add to the audience of the post if they can already see it? Only you. Then reviewing tags that people add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook. This is very important. Toggle it to the right. Okay, with this one, you will limit the number of people tagging you on useless posts on Facebook. Okay.